How to log in to Walmart on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can log into your Walmart account on your laptop. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to log into your Walmart account on laptop, first of all, you just want to go ahead and unlaunch your browser. Once you launch your browser, just in the search address bar, you want to go to walmart.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. You can go ahead and check that out if you want. Once you go to walmart.com, you'll see this kind of interface. And in order to sign into your account, from the just top right hand side, you can just click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, here you'll find the option called sign in or create account. So just click on it. Now what you have to do is, first of all, if you haven't created an account, you can go ahead and create an account if you want. But in my case, I have already created an account. So what I will do is I'll simply go ahead and enter the email address from my Walmart account and then just click on continue. Once I do that, it will ask me to simply enter my password. So go ahead and then enter your password as well. If you're not sure what password you've typed in, click on the show password button. If you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password to reset it. And once you're done, just click on the sign in button in order to successfully log into your Walmart account on laptop. Now, as you can see, we are successfully logged in. And that's all it takes to log into your Walmart account on laptop. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.